Hello, my name is Abhishek Navraiya, Director of Raj Herbals Private Limited, located in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. We are a second generation company dedicated to serving society through Ayurveda. This journey began over 2 decades ago with our father's vision to integrate the timeless principles of Ayurveda with cutting edge technology, transforming the herbal healthcare industry. At Raj Herbals, we are more than just a company. We are dedicated to your well-being. Our dedication to quality, authenticity, and efficacy has propelled us to the forefront of Ayurvedic healthcare. From sourcing the finest herbs to crafting potent formulations, every step of our process reflects our passions for excellence. We have developed numerous unique and highly efficacious formulations by combining the wisdom of the Samhitas with the expertise of experienced vets and scholars while adhering to the Ayurvedic principles and the Ayurvedic pharmacopoeia for standard process and quality control. With laboratory tested high quality formulations such as our leading products in hematinics and hepatoprotectives, we have developed over 30 efficacious formulations across categories including gynae care, ortho care, digestive care, general care, and recently critical care therapies. Our flagship formulations for vitiligo, leukoderma, and hemorrhoids stand as testaments to our commitment to quality and innovation. Additionally, our specialized products for male and female infertility, hyperuricemia, laxatives, ulcers, and our recently launched diabetes formulations have shown remarkable efficacy and are widely accepted for enhancing the quality of life. We are a team of dedicated professionals and a nationwide network. We strive to bring the benefits of Ayurveda to every corner of the world. Recognized for the excellence in various domains and certified with GMP and Ayush certifications, Raj Herbals is your trusted partner on the path to holistic wellness. We take pride in our fully integrated manufacturing facility where every aspect of production is carefully controlled to ensure high quality standards. We do not outsource our manufacturing. Instead, we rely on our team of skilled house people and who are dedicated to producing premium quality product. Through rigorous research, ethical practices, and a commitment to patient centricity, we strive to enrich lives and promote holistic wellness across diverse communities, one herbal remedy at a time. Our goal at Raj Herbals is to provide quality products that enhance holistic wellness and improve individuals' quality of life. We are committed to harnessing the power of nature to create safe, effective, and high quality herbal products that meets the diverse needs of our customers. I would like to congratulate Indian Vaidyas for a successful conclave uniting the various Ayurvedic stakeholders on the occasion of National Ayurveda Day. Speaking from the platform of Ayurdarshan Conclave, I would like to take this opportunity to emphasize with Ayurveda's increasing importance and the decrease in life expectancy. It is crucial that the baton of Ayurvedic science passed on to the generation upholds quality and authenticity. As my father often says, quality in Ayurveda provides longevity. In today's fast paced world, Ayurveda offers a practical and sustainable approach to health and wellness. By incorporating Ayurvedic principles into daily life, individuals can experience improved physical, mental, and emotional well being. Ayurveda's emphasis on preventive care and natural remedies makes it a valuable tool for promoting longevity and vitality. Its holistic approach addresses not only the symptoms of illness but also the underlying imbalances that contribute to disease. Ayurveda also places a strong emphasis on the mind body connection, recognizing the impact of thoughts and emotions on physical health. Practices such as yoga, meditation, and pranayam are integral part of Ayurveda and are recommended for maintaining overall health and well being. At Raj Herbals, we aim to pioneer historic well being through Ayurvedic excellence, integrated tradition with innovation. We envision a world where natural remedies empower individuals to achieve optimal health, vitality, and harmony. Thank you.